Hi everyone, welcome to the Blue Gadgets. So this is a very short video. This is about a purchase that I've made very recently on the Flipkart Big Billion Day. I think everyone knows the LG G8X was available at just 20,000 bucks. So the thing is that the phone didn't ship with a adapter, right? The cable was there, but there was no adapter. So I didn't have any LG phone. I haven't used any LG phone either. So I do not have that charging brick. I think the one that comes with the box is about 16.2 watt. Yes, it gives an output of 16.2 watt. So basically that is not available. But there are quite a plenty of good adapters that are been available over the internet and local shops. So the thing is that the phone, the LG G8X ThinQ, actually supports Qualcomm 4, so quick charge 4. That is, the specification is absolutely mentioned over the LG official website. So I started searching like which particular charger I should be buying to that has that technology. So ultimately I just my research ended with this particular adapter. It is a Turbo Power by Motorola. So it is a 27 watt USB-C charger with USB PD. Okay, there are two charging methodologies. One is by USB PD and then another is quick charge. So both of them basically charges the phone quite fast. So this phone also supports USB PD charging. So what I did, I purchased this one, and with this the cable is included. This is a USB type C cable. It's a very good charger. I will say the build quality and everything I'm showing you, like here is the charger. You can see the build quality is absolutely fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. So let me show you the ratings over here. So here it is. You can see it supports it gives an output of with three combination of output. Like it gives an output of either 18 watt or 27 watt or 15 watt, and on top of it, since it supports this PD, USB PD, so basically it has a multiple application, you can say. So I have another charger like adapter which I've also used. This is 27 watt Xiaomi 27 watt brick. So this one I have also used. This charger takes about 1 hour 56 minute or 58 minute. Depends on how you are charging the phone, whether you are using it while it is charging, or it depends. It has maybe the phone by which the condition of the phone actually matters the charging time. So the thing is that let me say you what this brick takes about 1 hour and 56 minute to 58 minute, and if you are using the phone and charging it, this would take about more than 2 hours 5 or 4 minutes. Yes, I think this particular charger and the MI 18 watt charger doesn't make any difference. Both are same, because the phone actually supports up to 21.8 watt charging, so it doesn't go up to 27 watt. Basically we all know, so it restricts itself to 15 or 18 watt. But I have seen that it takes the charge at about 11 or 12 watt at max with this adapter MI 27 watt. But with this one I have seen that it takes about 14-15 watt or at times 16 watt, depending upon the battery percentage it is at. Like when the battery percent is very slow, like at 10 watt say, or 10% or 12% say, the charging speed is quite rapid. Okay, but I won't say okay. So this charger will give you a charging time of about 1 hour and 52 minutes or 46 minutes. Yes, you will say that only a 9 or 10 minutes difference. So this is what it is. But I like this charger, the build quality and everything, and it is not like you have to buy the LG adapter only. In the, if you read the manual that has come with the LG G8X phone, you will see it has said that don't use charger which doesn't have the proper output rating that supports this device. So basically I have seen and I have researched and I have just going by the technicality, this charger supports the phone as well as this charger, as well as the MI 18 watt, whatever you have. But out of all this, if you put it on a basket, this particular charger has an edge over its peers. So this is the thing. I like this charger. It gives a slight improvement of charging time of 8 to 10 minutes at maximum. So this is it. Okay, now where you can buy this one. What I've seen over Flipkart, this is not available. Over Amazon, it is not available. Like, they are sold out with a very good number of good reviews. Like, everyone says that this charger is very good. Of course it is. And it is only available over Tata Click. I've never done any shopping over Tata Click. I don't know, like, I should be recommending it or not, but my experience is, yes, they have shipped the product right on the day I have ordered the product. I've received it by 2 or 3 days. I don't yes, I received it just by 3, yes, at maximum 3 days. So yeah, it was good. And and one more thing, it is that I'm actually recording this like the whole of the video with my LG G8X ThinQ. I would say it's a pretty amazing device in terms of video quality. Okay, that would be a separate video all. So this was it about the Motorola Turbo Power 27 watt charger, which supports USB PD and Qualcomm 4 Plus. Mind you that this is the only charger available over India, I guess, over online shopping websites that supports Qualcomm 4 Plus. And what is the price? Okay, the price I have that I have invested over this is about 1299. Mind you that there are many offers that goes on Tata Click. Try to use the coupon. Okay, thank you. I hope this video has helped a little. If it has, consider subscribing. And if you have any query, just comment your queries. I'll be definitely replying you. Thank you.